Waqf uproar that has continued, as now the Jamaat-e-Ulama president has moved the Supreme Court on the Waqf bill. In total, 6 petitions have been filed against the bill, which was approved by the Parliament and received the President's assent. Earlier, Aam Aadmi Party, Congress, as well as the AIMIM had approached the Supreme Court regarding this bill. Meanwhile, the Shiv Sena, Uddhav Balasaheb Thackeray chief, Uddhav Thackeray, he has reiterated his stand on the Waqf bill, saying that the party will not challenge the Waqf bill in court.
I move the amendments. तो अगर असंवैधानिक कानून था तो देश की पार्लियामेंट के फोरम पे राहुल गांधी को क्लॉज बाय क्लॉज कहना चाहिए था कि ये जो अमेंडमेंट हो रहा है उसमें ये जो सेक्शन है वो सेक्शन असंवैधानिक है। उन्होंने कोई न सुझाव दिया, न कोई आलोचना किया, न कोई अपने तर्क दिए, न कोई तर्क प्रियंका ने दिया और न कोई तर्क राज्यसभा में सोनिया गांधी ने दिया। आज़ादी के बाद से अब तक रिकॉर्ड है, इतिहास है कि किसी विधेयक पे इतनी लंबी चर्चा लोकसभा राज्यसभा में नहीं हुई।
To understand the opposition's stance, I'm currently joined by former Congress MP, senior Congress leader Sandeep Dixit. Sir, the Minorities Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju is assuring the public that there will be no interference in religious activities. It is not unconstitutional. They are just trying to curb the, the corruption, the financial corruption in connection with the Waqf property. So, what do you think about this?
Look, if you just let's not go into all the other arguments. Let's just go into the pointed questions that was asked by the opposition, both in Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha to the government. The various replies, both by the Home Minister and others given, and the absolutely devastating way in which each of the arguments of the government were demolished by members of parliament. It very clearly shows that the intent is incorrect. There is no thought out thing. Look, whether it's management of Waqf property or management of any property in India, there is corruption. There's no doubt about that. I mean, there's far more corruption in revenue administration, right? The way government manages and mismanages things. I mean, there's just about huge amounts of dishonesty there. You can't move a single thing without huge amounts of any revenue establishment in India. I've never found government of India being worried about that. Every patwari, every SDM registration, every person in every office in India earns by the lakhs and crores. Is there anybody who's worried about that? There are cases in which land belongs to certain people, gets notified into some other things. Is anybody worried about that? So don't give me this that you're particularly worried about the management or mismanagement of Waqf.
हमने जो स्टैंड लेना था हमने ले लिया है। अब नहीं, हम कोर्ट में नहीं जाएंगे। कोर्ट में कांग्रेस और कोई जा रहे तो जाने दो। हमने जो कहना था कह दिया और परसों भी मैंने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस लेके हमारी भूमिका स्पष्ट की है। आगे जैसे जैसे मुझे वक्त मिलेगा मैं और इसके ऊपर बोलते जाऊँगा।